Dear HR aspirants, welcome to HR Preparation YouTube channel, India's first HR YouTube channel for all kind of HR competitive exams. Today's topic is new syllabus of UGC NET. Earlier syllabus which was available in official website, it was consist of paper 2 and paper 3. Paper 2 was multiple choice questions and paper 3 was for descriptive, and later paper 3 was eliminated. UGC had not revised even though paper 3 was eliminated. Same syllabus pattern was available till December 18 exam. There was lots of difference in question pattern from and syllabus in previous years. Now UGC revised syllabus as per actual question pattern, and now we are going to discuss about new syllabus. Here we can find in color green, that was old syllabus. Now in red, this is the new syllabus. So first of all, schools of management thought. Schools of management thought, it was called as the schools of management thought. Now the principles and practices of management. So what was old syllabus and what is the new syllabus? Now we are going to discuss about this difference between these two. Basically we can say that there is no lots of difference between old and new syllabus. The concepts was similar but the terminology was changed. And here we can say that earlier days, scientific management school, human relations school, behavioral school, system approach. Now it is development of management thought. It means the development pages of the management and contribution of Taylor. So F.W. Taylor is the father of scientific management. The same was there in the old syllabus, scientific management school. The scientific management school and F.W. Taylor, the contribution of F.W. Taylor is same. And human relations, the human relations or human relations schools was introduced by Alton Mayo. So the same thing was here also. And behavioral school, the behavioral school was developed by Mary Parker Fellett. She was the mother of modern management. So the same thing was there in the old syllabus also. And C.I. Barnard, Chester I. Barnard, the person introduced the management-centered philosophy and acceptance theory of the authority and system theory. The same thing was there in the old syllabus also. So the same was reflected in the new syllabus in the different terminology. The same behavioral approach, systems approach, quantitative approach or mathematical approach, and contingency approach. The contingency approach or situational approach, this was developed by J.W. Lawson and P.R. Lawson. And functions of management. The functions of management purely connecting with the management tools which were planning, organizing, directing, controlling, coordination. Earlier days, the communication part was there in the functions of management. But in the new syllabus, the communication part was eliminated. So we can find planning, decision making, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling and coordination. So this is the overview of the unit 1. Now we are going to the unit 2. Unit 2, simply we can say that earlier days we had personal management. The personal management concept itself, it was a outdated syllabus in the HRM. After personal management, the terminology was changed as a human resource management. Whatever functions were there in the personal management So the same thing will be there in the human resource management. The only difference between the personal management and human resource management, the human resource management purely connecting with the human resources. The personal management consists of all the activities of the personnel department, which was traditional methodology of the human resource management. So there is no much difference between the old syllabus and new syllabus. There is only the terminology might be changed. In new syllabus, we have to discuss about employees, employee benefit and incentives, managing career. So these are the topics we have to concentrate in the new syllabus. Other than this, so everything was same as like earlier. New trends in human resource management. So all these topics were if you go back for the previous question paper, so all the topics were covered, but thing is the terminology was different. Now we are going to discuss about unit 3, human resource development, HRD. The same terminology is there in the new syllabus also. HRD concepts and evaluations. So all these from the development part, the human resource management managing the resources, but here human resource development, developing the resources. The difference between human resource management and human resource development is little bit varied. So how we have to concentrate on the people development as part of the human resource development department and HR department. The managing people, from the managing people to developing the people is the core concept of the human resource department. And here we have to concentrate on HR accounting and audit. So this was not a new topic or syllabus in this UGC net. This is HR accounting and audit was there in the previous syllabus, but the terminology was little bit different, because organization of HRD functions. In the organization of HRD functions, we can cover human resource accounting and audit. Consultant-client relationship. We can say that this is the new terminology in this unit. And knowledge management. These two we have to concentrate. And other than these two, so remaining part was same. International human resource management. This international human resource management, we had many questions as like expatriate and impatriate. So these are from the international human resource management. So however, we covered this topic in previous syllabus also. Now we are going to discuss about unit 4, which is major part in the UGC net. Organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is it's an endless topic and concept. So we can't say that this is the only restricted with the OB. The OB is completely connecting with the sociology and psychology of the organization or people. So in this we can understand the behavior of the employees and group dynamics and team dynamics, and so these kind of behavioral things will be involved in the organization. So as a HR guy, how we have to understand the attitude of the people and how to motivate the people and how to handle the group dynamics and how to develop the leadership qualities, how to communicate the people, and how to understand the organizational changes and developments. So these are the things connecting with the behavioral part of the people in the organization. So there is no much change in this topic in this unit, so we have to continue as like earlier syllabus. And unit 5 completely industrial relations in earlier days. Here also the same terminology was used and the concepts and other things were changed. The industrial relations itself starts with industrial disputes. So industrial disputes, so basically industrial relations concentrate on the industrial disputes, how the dispute will arise, how to control the dispute, how to handle the dispute. So these are the things actually in the industrial relations. And trade unions, because of the trade unions also the industrial dispute will arise. So how to handle the trade unions. In earlier syllabus, old syllabus, we can find ILO, International Labour Organization. The topic was there in the old syllabus, but the topic is not there in the new syllabus. But the topic is there in the UGC net in the coming units. Okay, so industrial relations, there is much change, but the trade union part is added in this syllabus, which was earlier days it was in the unit, we can say that unit 6, but trade unions was included in the unit 5 now. Trade unions, so which was discussed in the previous slide. Industrial disputes, so it's completely depends on the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. So how to handle the strikes and lockouts, and what are the preventive methods, and how to prevent the situation from the dispute kind of things, and how to go for the settlements, and all these things, including which were legal parties included in that. So local bodies, the local government bodies which are involving into settlement part. And unit 7, earlier days we had labor legislation. The same is there in the labor legislation in the new syllabus. Coming to this unit 6 and unit 7, in previous syllabus and new syllabus we can find all the labor legislations. All labor legislations which were few are not mentioned, not given in the new syllabus, but the questions from the labor legislation, like we can say that Maternity Benefit Act and standing orders and workmen compensation. So these are not at all given in this syllabus, in the new syllabus, but the questions will come from that acts also. The labor legislation is the big concept, which is the very toughest concept in the UGC net. So we have to focus on all acts. So we should not ignore the acts which were not given in this syllabus, but the questions ultimately come from all the labor legislations. So we can find few of the labor legislations here. Unit 8, 6, 7, 8. These 3 units consist of completely the acts related information. So which will ask, so which section, which clause, and so these are the things will come from these acts. So we have to go through all the acts. We should be thorough about all the acts. So there should be the micro level understanding should be there for this kind of labor legislations. So here the syllabus is dividing into the simplified in the such a way that, so this unit 8 is consist of wage related acts, the Minimum Wages Act, Payment Wage Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Equal Remuneration Act, the Payment of Gratuity Act. So these are the acts. These acts are segregated such a way that according to the concept, but we have to go through all the acts of the labor legislations. And unit 9, this is purely labor welfare in the old syllabus as well as the new syllabus. So the labor welfare, what is the labor welfare? So the labor welfare, there are so many theories and concepts of the labor welfare as like that. So we have industrial health and hygiene, industrial accident and safety, occupational diseases like OHC centers, and welfare officer, and all these things will be in the labor welfare. The labor welfare, nothing but, so what we can say that, so the welfare part of the labor in the organization. In this unit, earlier days we have the statutory, non-statutory labor welfare and agencies of labor welfare. The same part will be covered in this new syllabus also. here social security, this concept, the terminology might be new, but this is nothing but ESI and PF is the social security part. So these all concepts which are connecting with the labor welfare. And the last unit, 10th unit, we can say that labor market. So the old syllabus and new syllabus both are same. There is no change in this. There might be changes in this terminology, but other than that nothing was changed. The labor market, which was types of labor in the geographical area, demand, supply, availability of the labor in the market, labor characteristics in different markets, labor versus economic system, problems in labor market. So all these things involved in this labor market and this last unit, 10th unit. So these are the topics as per the given syllabus. But to crack the exam, you need to understand the micro concept way by comprehensive method, which the HR preparation will provide you. Thanks for watching. For free classes and material, please like and subscribe the channel for the updates. So we are going to upload so many classes as per the unit, the given syllabus. According to the new syllabus, we are going to upload all classes timely. So please keep watching our channel and subscribe the channel, like the channel and share the channel. So please encourage us to upload more videos for your learning part. So hrpreparation.com is your learning partner. Thank you very much.